We're very low on resources. COVID really hit us hard.
A local addiction recovery center is doing its part now to keep some of the city's most vulnerable population warm this winter. And with the pandemic, the need is even greater.
It sure is. COVID-19 shelter capacity restrictions are leaving people without homes at risk. Reporter Whitney Miller shows us what's being done to help them.
Brightview staff want you to donate gloves, jackets, and scarves to these yellow and black bins they've placed out front of their facilities. They want to make sure that the homeless here in our city are not forgotten this winter.
Normally, the plaza at the Hamilton County Justice Center is fairly quiet. But every Sunday, this plaza turns into an outreach center.
Clothing, blankets, dessert, fresh fruit, bottled water.
Maslow's Army hosts the program in which they provide our city's homeless with something to eat and more recently COVID-19 testing.
We still do like 700 slices of pizza every week, and we do peer-to-peer counseling.
Brian Gary oversees some of the programs and says while they will continue to help those in need, Maslow's Army is seeing the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic.
We're very low on resources. COVID really hit us hard as a provider, that our own resources are now depleted.
That's part of the reason why Brightview, a local addiction recovery center, is doing what they can to help by hosting Coats That Care, an emergency winter coat drive.
Oftentimes, homelessness does come with substance use disorder. And if we don't have a safe place to live while we're trying to find recovery, it's really difficult. If we're able to connect with folks out in the community just by saying, we're thinking of you, here's just something.
The donations will be collected at all of their Brightview locations and then will be sanitized and distributed to Maslow's Army and Greater Cincinnati Behavioral Health.
It's just one more avenue to reach people on a different level, but a much more compassionate level.
Whitney Miller, WCPO 9 News.